Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to take another quick follow-up look at the watch I received for my regular subscription through Watchgang. So if you guys watched the box opening, you know I received this William Gregor. Now I believe this one is a BWG30061-218. Real catchy name there, William Gregor. Now, the interesting thing is, because of the date, William Gregor 1791, William Gregor 1791, I decided to try and figure out what was going up with that particular name and date, and it turns out that that is the year that William Gregor discovered titanium, which is pretty interesting. Now, it'd be more interesting if the watch was fully titanium, but as you can see, it is all stainless steel. Now, this watch has mineral crystal. It's 41 millimeters. It's got a 20 millimeter strap. Now the strap is leather, but it has like a felt or a, I don't know if that's like wool. Nowhere could I find the actual description of what that material was on the front side. And it's actually pretty cool treatment. I do like it. The funny thing is some of the people that got the tan version, I think the strap almost looked like pet hair. So I'm glad I got the blue one instead of tan, because I don't think that looks like pet hair. And I think it's a pretty cool treatment on the strap itself. Now, this particular model utilizes a Japanese quartz Seiko PC33A movement, which by no means is a high-end or expensive movement. I think you can find those online for about $10. The interesting thing is I can't find these for sale anywhere except for in the UK. That seems to be where the brand comes from. It's on the UK Amazon, it's on UK eBay, and on their website it's listed at 199 euros for retail price, which would put it at $238 US, right around there. And that's pretty much the pricing that these are going for on Amazon and everywhere else from their UK side of things instead of the US. Now, if you guys find one on our eBay, Amazon, whatever, I'm going to throw it out there that it's a good chance it's going to be a Watchgang member maybe selling theirs off. Now, as you can see, it does have a day and date window over at the 3 o'clock position, which is nice. I do like the little bit of texture in the dial. Overall, I think it is probably the nicest watch I've gotten from Watchgang on the $29 subscription. That being said, there's no way I would pay the $238 US that it would cost to buy this watch. Now, if you could find one in the, let's say, $60 to $70 range, I think you would be really happy with it. It does have lume on the hands, but there are no lume markers. And to me, that always seems a little pointless if there's no lume markers at all. I mean, they could have put a little dot of lume at the end of the points to really make it pop. So we're not even going to go dark on this one, but there's a few different angles and shots of it. Like I said, I actually do think this is one of the nicer ones I've gotten from Watchgang. The crystal, although it's a mineral crystal, feels really thick and actually has a cool look to it. The case is really nice and heavy. It does have the logoed crown. There's no logo on the buckle, but for my $29 subscription, which, as you guys know, I did the full 12 months. This was my last one in the full 12 months. Came out to about $24.50 because of the specials that were going on at the time. For $24.50, I think it's a really nice watch, and I think Watchgang did really well for the category that it's in. And like I said, if you could find one in the $50 to, let's say, $60 to $70 range, I don't think you would feel bad about it. But going up to $100, $200, I think you wouldn't be extremely pleased. But overall, I think it's a really nice watch. I'm glad it was the last one that I received from WatchGang on my regular subscription because it has gotten some wrist time, mostly because I like the uniqueness of the band and the way it looks. Pretty cool overall. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.